Hi, it's Rick from AC Cooking and Refrigeration Service, working on a Gibson Refrigerator. The owner of the refrigerator said she heard it clicking. Now the compressor is very hot, so it's not starting. So as a precaution, what I do is I install a service valve, which I have done right here. So I can see that there is Freon in it, which I can see that that's good. And then we can monitor the compressor. Second thing is I've taken the relay off. I've also done a temperature check of the compressor with a laser. It's 125 degrees, and that's too hot. So we have to let the compressor cool down, and then I'm going to put a hard start kit on it. After I jump it out with my test leads, they look like this. Has a little start button. And I push start to make sure the compressor is good. I check the windings with an ohm meter, and they're all good. So the electric part of the compressor is good as long as it's not seized. Should be able to get this refrigerator back up and running. Thanks for tuning in. This is Rick from AC Cooking and Refrigeration. I'll give you the conclusion on part 2.